watch this now. We'll just jump over to the Alio theme. This is what we're going to be recreating. You can see here our initial banner. And it's got lots of effects and animations in there. And that's because I've designed Alio specifically for the 5-day challenge and specifically for this class, so we can show off all the features of the editor so that you'll be able to use them for your designs and literally replicate anything and also be confident to build from scratch. Okay, so here is the Alio theme, and you can see there's a couple of things going on here already. We've got move right on scroll, we've got a bit of a slider. Well, this particular banner with this shift down effect, that's going to be in the advanced class following this one. But here you can see quite a signature of the Alio design, where we've got our neutral, which we know in the background, plus we've got this white card on top with the shadow. So we'll look more into this. We've got a rotating effect. Notice how these on the right reveal on scroll. Let's have a look at that again. It reveals on scroll. And we've also got these cool extend lines. All of this is super easy for you to do. You're going to see me build this. Again, this one is going to be on the sessions later today after we've done the masterclass. Obviously widgets you kind of get. This is our hidden font 12, as you will know if you've done the fonts class. And here is where we've got this parallax motion. So we're going to be looking at that at the end of this class. So let me just jump over into another tab that I've prepared. This is exactly what we're going to be learning right now. You're going to see how I build out this column structure. And in here we're going to put a background image, a background video, and also a slider. Notice how they're all the same height. So we're going to be looking at that. Then we're going to capitalize on the work that we've done and turn our light theme into a dark theme. Your content editors are going to love you, because we're going to be building out these layouts as we go, so that all they have to do is click to drop them onto a page. Then we're going to turn that layout into this 2/3, 1/3. Well, we've alluded to that before. You can see this makes a nice news and grid kind of layout. But you'll see here we're also going to drop in a shop this time, and we'll also drop in a map. Again, they're all nicely aligned at the same pixel height. Then we'll convert that one into a dark theme. Okay, and then we'll go through and we'll turn this into a grid. We'll have a video 2/3, shop 1/3, and then we'll have an image, or we might even put the slider in there. We'll see how it goes, and then we'll have our map as the 2/3, and again we'll capitalize on the work we've done, turning that into a dark theme, building out these layouts as we go. Then we're going to finish the session showing you how this parallax works, but showing you how we build these particular cards. Okay, so there's a few cool things going in there. Again, we'll capitalize on the work we've done and save that to a dark theme. And then I'm going to show you how we inverse the layout, so we can again very quickly build on the work that we've done. So our content team have got lots of these layouts, and they're all just going to work. Okay, so let me just jump back over into our editor. As you know, Mobile is a website builder for design and a CMS for business, all in one, all in the same editor, so that designers can go and build anything and content editors can go and edit everything. And it all happens in these two tabs, design mode and business mode. Well, now I'm going to start off in design mode, because we are going to build from scratch. So you're presented with what we call our frame tools. That is at the top left, and you can see in the frame tools I can do a whole bunch of things. Well, first it opens the frames drawer, and in the frames drawer I've got a whole bunch of UI tools here. I can control all the background colors, background images, I can control those effects and animations like we've just looked at there with parallax. I can specifically look at the frames, which is what we've alluded to in the essentials class that preceded this, and we're going to have a look at advanced. We're going to have a look at some of the advanced settings, which is how frames might behave on mobile devices. Do you want to show it on mobile, show it on desktop? And then we're going to have a look at the borders, shadows, and a bit more behavior on how we can do things like widgets. Do we want slider dots, or do we want arrows? What speed do we want the sliders to play at? Okay, so there, that covers a quick introduction.